What's up, guys? It's Mr. K Bastic here. In this video, I am going to show you how to make like a really loud noise from a Coca-Cola can. So what you need to do is you need to get a Coca-Cola can, and then you need to finish it, and then you scrunch it up. My friend taught me this. So you scrunch it up, and then I think you bend it. So my Coke can is like this. Then you go, oh! And then you just shout as loud as you can into it. Oh! And it's really funny. It makes a really loud noise, but it's so funny. Oh! Anyway, that's that. So, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see like more tutorials and more like sick videos like this in the future. And hit that notification bell and click that subscribe button so you don't miss a single upload. Bye.